Hey, Nathan here. This is just a quick announcement video that a new tutorial is being uploaded as I speak. It'll take a little bit to upload. This is a little bit bigger than the last one. This is the Bezier curve algorithms video. And I did something a little bit differently since there weren't that many animations and that kind of thing. I did most of this in the Final Cut and not After Effects. So there's not going to be that many smooth animations of things sliding in and out. It's just an example of how the algorithm works. So let me know if that's okay for algorithms in simple styles like this. Obviously, if I need to demonstrate something like the flocking artificial intelligence, where I need actual elements to move and just have a lot of animations in that, I will use After Effects for that. So check this out. There will be a description below to the new video and again the new channel for this video. I wanted to mention that I'm still recording the DirectX 12 series and the Intro to C# series. Those are getting close to being done recording, and then I'll edit those, and hopefully that won't take that much time. And remember, I'm going to put those on my website first, and then I will do a stage release on YouTube. So it'll be eventually released on YouTube on a weekly basis, a tutorial a week, or that kind of thing. Maybe this week will be DirectX week, and the next week will be C# week. It might go back and forth. I haven't decided on the schedule yet, but it will be on my website first for purchase. Again, I'm not going to charge too much, probably $5 at most. It'll probably be like $2 or something like that for the entire series, and then I'll release it on YouTube, so it'll eventually be free for everyone. Alright, so that's it. Check out this video. About half of it is the actual overlay, and then I go into code since it's a algorithm discussion, not a mathematics and that kind of thing. Alright, so I hope you enjoy it. Next tutorial will be coming out in a couple weeks probably. If it won't be a DirectX 12 or C# video, if I don't get those finished in time, I'll just choose a different topic. Like Bezier curve was a topic, I'll just choose a different topic for the next releases. Alright, hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.